What's the meaning of Beantown? Beantown. Beantown.
Beantown. Beantown. Beantown is a nickname for the city of Boston, Massachusetts, in the United States. The origins of the name are uncertain, but it may have derived from Boston's historical association with baked beans. Boston was a center of bean production in colonial times, and the city's signature dish, Boston baked beans, has been a staple of New England cuisine for centuries. The term Beantown is often used affectionately by residents as well as visitors to refer to the city, and has become an integral part of Boston's identity. It serves as a reminder of the city's rich history and cultural heritage.